Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR meat slicer. So it does come with instructions. So we have our guard here. We got a whole bunch of blades on the inside, and it actually has a guide right here. So it'll help to make sure that all the meat gets pushed down and doesn't just start rolling around the inside. Looks like we can pull that out. So I'll make cleaning that a lot easier. We got an adjustment right here, so if it's not cutting quite right, this will push this set of blades so it'll mesh up with this set. Looks like we do have a hopper. On the side we got our power switch. We do have rubber feet on the bottom, so we're going to be able to keep that from sliding around. We got a vent on the back, and that is pretty much it. And the package did come with some tongs. That's a little odd. I guess it's supposed to do that. It feels pretty solid. So I've got some beef chuck roast. This is a fairly large slab. Don't know if the whole thing's going to fit. It looks like it just might. Just to make sure, I'm just going to cut this guy down the center. Just to make sure I don't have any problems. Oh wow. That was nice and quick. That's awesome. So that guy has a ton of power. Now if we want to, we could chop it more than once. And spaghettify it. So that guy's a lot faster than I was expecting, so if you need to cut a whole lot of meat quick, that is going to be an excellent way of doing it. And there's an example of what we get with the exact same steak.